Here my function is written with this formula. Instead of listing ordered pairs, it's the formula. F of x equals 5x squared minus 2x plus 4. This is a polynomial function. Find the domain here means, again, find everything you can use for x. When we deal with the equations, formulas that are written in this notation, you have to kind of ask yourself, is there anything that I cannot plug into this? Any number that I cannot put in for x? And in this case, I can put in positive numbers, I can put in negative numbers, I can put fractions, decimals, anything. So our domain, anytime we're dealing with a polynomial function like this, is going to be all real numbers. So that means it could be anything, from negative infinity all the way up to positive infinity. Here I'm asked to find a function value, f of -1. So that means I want to plug my -1 in for x. So the -1 is going to go in everywhere I see an x, which is going to give me 5 times -1 squared minus 2 times -1 plus 4. You've got to be careful with your order of operations here. -1 times -1 is +1. So we have 5 times 1 minus 2 times -1 plus 4. So I have 5 plus 2 plus 4 gives me 11. So f of -1 is 11. That means the ordered pair, -1, 11, is on that graph. Now I can do that. Also, I can put that function into my calculator in my y equals screen. 5x squared. In the y equals screen, you always use this button right here for your x, minus 2x plus 4. If I go to my table, which is second graph, see table written above the word graph, I can use my up and down arrows to find the x of -1, because that's the number I plugged in. And it will calculate the y for that. So I can check my work here. I see that I really did that correctly. I got a y of 11. I also can look at my graph. Typically, a good way to start looking at your graph is with a standard window. Zoom 6 will give you a standard window that goes 10 units in each direction. The graph doesn't tell you a whole lot here, but you can see that it's a parabola that goes up. Now, if I were asked to find the range on this function, seeing what I see on this calculator screen, the range, remember, refers to the y values. And I don't have any part of that graph that's showing up below this y value right here, which looks like it's a y value of 4. So that means if I were asked to find my range is going to be all of my y values that are bigger than or equal to 4. So my y would have to be greater than or equal to 4 to be an element of the range.